Today we will learn about preposition in, on, at, under, across, along. In. In is used to indicate something inside. For example, the ball is in the glass. For example, sofa. Sofa is in the living room and it is inside the room. It is covered area. In is also used for time. For example, they meet him in 2005. 2005 indicates the time. In is also used for time. On indicates something on the surface. For example, the cup is on the table. So the cup is on the surface of the table. Second example, the cat is on the roof. So the cat is sitting on the roof. So cat is sitting on the surface of the roof. On also indicates specific time. For example, they meet on Eid. So the Eid is a time. Third preposition is at. It is used for a specific location. For example, she is standing at bus stop. So bus stop is a specific location. At is also used for time. For example, the cat and dog play at 5 o'clock. So 5 is clock here is time. Fourth preposition is under. Under mean something beneath. For example, cat is playing with phone under the blanket. So under is preposition. Second example is the car is under the bridge. Car is under the bridge and not touching the bridge, so it is under the bridge. Next example is the car is under the tree. The car is not touching the tree, so we will use the car is under the tree. Next preposition is across. Across means something parallel. Something is walking parallel. For example, the girl is walking across the bridge. So the girl is walking parallel to the bridge. So we use across the bridge here. Second example, monkey is hanging across the river. So monkey is hanging across the river. We will use across here. Next preposition is along. The lights are glowing along the river. Next example, the dog is driving along the river. So the dog is driving parallel to the river, so we will use along here.